Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dicey underscore Flip Zaga. You know what it's all about. It's all about market breakdown all the time. So today I'm gonna be explaining or breaking down how my day went on the market, Uh, as you read by the title, guys, all about SMC, daily market breakdown, London session, New York session, and of course today I took some L's. Today is that one of the days, guys. Those days where, like, you know what happens, but the market sometimes takes you out, sometimes takes you in, just like that. So, we are gonna be explaining or breaking down what happened. So, I'm gonna take you through all my charts, guys. Especially for today, I just wanna. I've been trading. I had a $10 account, funded account with $10. I don't go over it, guys. I don't go over it. I don't like risking money like that, guys. So with me it's all about balance versus equity, because I'm a fundamental trader. I am a fundamental trader, so it's always balance versus equity thing. So today, just want to show you what went down. Remember, guys, second week of the month. So first and second week. Before I get to that, I wanna basically break down what the difference between SMC and like price action traders. So there's two type of traders, guys. If there's a price action trader, you know that those traders with trend lines that trades with the trend and everything. Me, guys, I'm an SMC trader, and SMC simply means a smart money concept. Basically, it's where, like, you trade sessions. You trade basically with the banks. Cause I'm not sure. I think Asian it's JPY, and then London is GBP, which is this is London session, Great British Pound, and then we have New York session, which is USA, which is dollar. So as you know, guys, this is that second week of the month where we have a lot of events, fundamental impact events. So just know, I've been seeing moves like this in the market. Moves like this is not the first time experiencing such a day. Just because now I'm starting to shoot content, I've been experiencing such days where, like, London session doesn't have any impact, and then also New York doesn't have any impact, especially that week of NFP, that CPI week. Basically, I don't trade through these weeks. I was just trading because I wanted to, like, show guys when it comes to this trading thing, we don't always make money. We do lose, we do take losses. So I'm gonna break it down what happened today and why I took losses and why I took my entries, why I took them. I'm just gonna basically explain all the charts that I've traded. Especially, I'm gonna explain how it went. I'm gonna even start with all the trades that how I started, and which trades I took, which one took me out and everything. So basically, let's just get into it, guys. As you can see here, we're on USD CAD, so I'm gonna basically explain what happened throughout all of this chart. So today, as you can see, guys, I took an early trade today. I think it was around 6. I don't take trades around 6, as I said, but because the market was on the resistance, the highest level of that day, I decided that let me just jump in. Maybe something could come out here, which is okay. Let us scale in, because you can see all the Fibonacci's here. Let me just remove all the Fibonacci's, and then I think I'm gonna because I think I took an L here. But I don't know why it doesn't show. Okay, the chart doesn't show, but I took two L's here. Okay, let me just scale in. Let me just scale in. So I'm gonna start where the chart starts, and I'm gonna remove all the Fibonacci's just to show you what basically went down today. Let's take it back. Remove Fibonacci, which is delete. just taking it back, guys. I'm gonna explain all my 6 charts. I'm just gonna also remove Fibonacci here. Okay, here's my Fibonacci. Then delete. Take it back where the day started. Okay, it started, guys. As you can see, remember, guys, I'm using market levels. So, as you guys know, I'm gonna start by where the separator started. So you're gonna go, the day started here, it went. Then I took my sell here because it touched the second line of the market level. So hold on a minute. Sorry, guys, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Just go back quickly, okay? And this is where I took my entry. And then just like that, it went until it took me out on my 100 points stop loss. Took me out just like that, which was fine. Remember, guys, once a market takes you out, you just gonna, because I was selling here, I was just gonna wait for a London session, because London session wasn't yet started here. Just gonna wait for London session, or wait for the market to take the exact direction that we've been anticipating, so that we can take a buy. So it went down, and then it got here. I'm sure I took a buy here, guys. Just it doesn't show the history. I don't know why, but I'm sure if I can go into my phone here, I'm sure there was that buy entry I took. What time was this? Yeah, I took a buy here, guys. Because it was around around 4, which is here, around 4. Yeah, I took a buy, guys. See, I took a buy here, same chart. Took a buy, then that same buy also took me out, guys. Went until it took me out somewhere here. Yeah, it took me out somewhere here, which is normal, guys. London session didn't have any impact today. I don't know why. Didn't have any impact. Basically, I do know why. Because remember, tomorrow is NFP. So it happens sometimes the market doesn't respect these levels. That's why I'm saying first 2 weeks of the month you don't trade, because there's a lot of impact news that have a lot of impact in the market. So the market will be like taking a direction, or like what would I say, it will be loading so that it can shoot during the events. So the market is basically loading. I don't usually trade on these days. So you saw there was my Fibonacci is right there. So this is where I took my sell, took me out here. There was also a buy here. Yeah, there was a buy here, and it took me out. Right here. I'll be posting the screenshots, by the way. It took me out right there. So this is how my phones go. Let me just get another one. Okay, this one is low, guys. Let me just open this one. Charge. Okay, yeah. So this is how USD CAD went, guys. I took like $2 loss on this one. Which is fine. It's normal. Okay, yeah. And then let's jump into USDCHF. Straight into USDCHF. Bang. I also took a loss, but here it was also a $1 loss, because I think I traded only New York session, which had no impact. And then yeah, that's how it went, guys. This phone is also low. My phones are low, guys. My phones are so low. They're so low. And let me get to this chart. Guys. So I'm also gonna be explaining what went on. Let's just scale in. Scaling in. Let me take it back where the day started. I also removed the Fibonacci so it doesn't complicate this chart. Going straight back to where the day started. That's where the day started. So the market went and went and went and went, and then boom, it touched our second line, which is what do we call this? We call this the reset line. Then the second one. That's when the market will be reaching its max. But guys, remember, there's no strategy that is 100%. Sometimes London session doesn't play out, guys. I do like meet such days like this, but like I go through such days like this where the market just doesn't really respect any of our setups. So today was one of those days where like it just went out there. So I understand I've been going through such incidents where like go in and takes you out. Okay, we took a sell here and then we had those small profits and then went straight up to our stop loss. So remember guys, once you sell and then it fails, do not try to sell the market when you see that it's not selling. Like you see today, this was one of those days where the price action traders made a lot of money because it was just, actually they are trend traders. They trade the trend. We trade the reversal. So I'm sure a lot of like price action traders made a lot of money because gold was just falling. GBP was like, all these pairs was just like taking that direction. I hear a lot of traders be saying, hey, don't try to like unfollow the trend. No, we are SMC traders. We're supposed to be entering sniper entry only. So if it fails, it fails. Part of the market, you fail. So don't try to be selling a chart that is already like you sold it and it took you out. You're trying to sell again. I could have taken another entry here, but I didn't. I just like let it be. Just let it be. If I take a sell, I just waiting for the market to take the same exact direction that I was anticipating so that I can buy the market. So unfortunately, the market didn't reach any of the second line down there by the support. So you see, ever since it took us out here, the market has been playing around, resetted, playing around. It never went down. So remember, New York, London session, I'll be starting trading by 9, 10, 11. Then from there, I'll be relaxing, waiting for the New York to start. Then from 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, I'll be taking my entries. 8 o'clock from there to that other side, I won't be taking any entries. Just letting the market be. So even if it comes down here, I won't take any entry. So that's how that's how our USD CHF went. So I took also $1 loss here. Okay, which is fine. Now let's jump to my favorite chart. This is my favorite chart, guys. GBP USD. Yo, this one, guys. One thing I like about this chart, if the market doesn't respect you, it's simply gonna take you out same time. It doesn't gonna wait. It's never gonna wait for you. Maybe play around just like the other of these charts are doing. As you can see here, you see I took a sell. The market has never went down. It's busy playing around, consolidating. Same as here. Okay, this one was better because I've seen it went down. I even took a buy position there, which also failed. It went up to profit. I saw it going up to profit, and then simply went down just like that, took us out. I don't see much of these entries, but then it's fine because I took a lot of entries. I don't see much of them. Just doesn't reflect. I don't know why. So let's go to my favorite chart, GBP USD. Here I also took, I'm not sure, I think, okay, I also took $2 loss. Oh, it was Euro USD where I took 2 trades in one chart. So let's just jump into it. Okay, let me go back. You see the Fibonacci. So this Fibonacci was for a buy, this one was for a sell. I took a sell here. So let's jump into it. Scale in deeper. We're going deeper into the charts. So let's go back where the day started. Let me remove the Fibonacci. Delete Fibonacci. You see, hey, today there was an interest rate. Guys, I shall getting phone calls. I'm so sorry. I'm getting a phone call. Somebody's calling my phone. Shouldn't have charged this phone, guys. Somebody's calling me now. I shouldn't have charged this phone. Let me simply switch off my data, guys. Oh, these people, bro. Okay, so today we had an interest rate on GBP, so it went down. But then we're gonna get into that. I knew there was an event today, and I thought it was gonna go up, but it went down. Lucky enough, I was not trading. I was not trading any event today. Okay, the day started here. Went. London session, guys, touched our second line right here. It was London session. You see, it was 9 o'clock, and the session was in progress there. Okay, and then obviously went up and then took us out. Remember, just like I said, guys, don't try to buy a chart that you already bought and it failed. Don't try to buy it again. Keep on buying. Just let it be. It went down, guys. It never came back to the structure. It went down, even touched the structure right here, and the event happened, shoot back down. So I was waiting for the market to come back into the structure to reset. After resetting, it went up. I think I took a trade somewhere here. I did take a trade here because it was nearby the what do you call this? Nearby our second touch, and then it really touched. I think I took a trade also here because here I was rushing. I took a trade, and I took a trade also here. Took me out. Went straight up and took me out. So I was not even. This was a New York session. You can also check the time. You see, it goes around 5. Yeah, this is where I take my entry. So I didn't try to force it to sell. I just let it be. It took me out up until now. Just like that, I made a loss. So sometimes the market doesn't respect. It won't respect. It won't respect the setup. So today is how I took my losses, which is normal, man. You do take losses in the chart, but we're not gonna cry about that. We're not gonna be crybabies about that. And then let's jump into Euro USD. Like today, none of these trades went my way, just like this one. I took a sell. Okay, here I took a what? No, I took a buy, right? Yeah, I took a buy. Took me out. Now it went up. So let's jump straight into a. See the Fibonacci. I took two trades in one chart here. So it also took me out because I didn't win. I think this was. Okay, let's jump into it so that we can see what was this one. So I'm also gonna remove the Fibonacci. I'll be removing the Fibonacci. What time was this, bro? I wanna see. What the fuck happened? Oh, I didn't switch off this thing. Sorry, guys. Said to switch off this. Yeah, let's go back. I wanna know what time was this. Whether it was New York or okay, this was London session. So I didn't get any entry during New York. So just like that. Oh, delete. Let's go back where the day started. Okay, period separate started, went, resetted, and then here I got my entries, guys. Two entries because I was so positive with this trade, guys. It went straight down, took me out. I was not trying to buy the chart because I knew it might not come back, but it came back. Unfortunately, now it touched. So what time is it? Let's check what time is it. It touched around 8, so I don't think I'll be taking trades by this time, but then tomorrow it's NFP, so I think I'll update you. Let me just insert this triangle to show what's in mind. From here might be having a downtrend because I've been expecting this chart to sell, so it touched. I'm not gonna take any entries, fine. I don't take entries by this time. Yeah, so yeah, this is how I also lost my trade. Like none of these charts were respecting any session today. None of them. It happens. I usually don't trade 2 weeks before 2 weeks of this 2 weeks of the month. First 2 weeks, I do not trade. I know there's a lot of fundamental impacting news, so I don't trade technical. Technical is good with the 4th week, the last week of the month, and the 3rd one. Trust me, guys. I'll be having more of this kind of videos. You will see. Just today I had a loss. I'm not even okay. I'm not even feeling fine. which is normal. Okay, now let us move to another chart. Let's move to another chart, which is I'm currently still running trades here, guys. I'm currently still running trades on this chart. Yeah, I'm still running trades on this chart, guys. Back. Okay, you have to open. Yeah. So I only had this IUD USD. I'm still running trades. I'm still holding, because I took 2 trades also on this chart, and then only one is still holding. So I just hope this one is gonna. I just hope this one is gonna bring back all the money I lost. I lost almost all my accounts today, guys. Basically gonna be posting screenshots here. I lost all my accounts today. Oh, this one. Which one? This one is low, bro. Okay, let me check. I lost like $8 of $10, which is normal, bro. Always lose. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. So let us just get into this one. Let's take it back to where the day started and show you why I'm in a sell position. So London session, I didn't get it. Usually NZD and AUD, I don't get trades until maybe let's say NZD has events. That's when the market's gonna be moving so. And this one I was supposed to take 5 o'clock. I was sleeping by that time. I wouldn't take a trade there. So you see, I haven't touched any second line, any support second line or resistance second line until here, up until here. So I think I took a trade here because I was rushing, came back and touched. Then I took a trade here. Let me just put my rectangle so that you can see where I took a trade. I took a trade here. Oh, I took a trade here. Oh, that's my trade. I took a trade here. And then went down, profit, came back up. Just like that, I'm still holding. My stop loss is way too tight, just like always, guys. Stop loss is way too tight. It's just like I risk $1 each and every trade that I take. So I lost like 8 trades today. I lost 8 trades, and this one is still short. So I'm just gonna hold it like this. There one. You saw where the Fibonacci was at, guys. So yeah, this is how my day went, guys. Didn't close any blues, so today was just loss. But I'm not stressed. Part of the game. My $10 almost gone. I'm gonna find again, and then we do what we know best. So just one of those days, guys. This is to show that also as traders we do lose, guys. Don't let these people fool you. We do lose. We just have to adjust them. Just have to adjust losing. Just have to adjust losing is part of the game, guys. Just have to adjust. I had a lot of losses today. Unfortunately, it didn't reflect, because if you refresh, I mean to say, because if you can see a lot of entries not reflect here. I took entries where I did open the trading history, so it doesn't show the arrows where it was taken out. It's just the futures that shows. Other entries, the new entries, I don't see them. London session, I only see London session. Just like here, I don't see any entries, but we're still holding. The market is still playing just like that. We're still holding this AUD USD, so I just hope it brings back all my $8. I'm not making any money, guys. It's just bad. You see, you're holding this trade, so I hope it goes down to 100% Fibonacci strength. So yeah, guys, I won't be talking too much today because you see I've made losses. It's not a good day for me, but I still can explain. Guys, we do lose, don't let them lie. But I make a lot of money through fundamentals. I'm also gonna be sharing my fundamental videos. That's where basically, as a trader, I'm a fundamental trader. I just learned how to trade technicals, and then I got good with entries. Then I was like, how about I share this with people, show how I trade. So today I had a loss day. I didn't even close any blues, which is normal. But I'll be making more of these videos. You'll see sometimes when I make profits. So it's cool. Today I lost a lot of money. My $8, it's fine. cool, because I'll be funding and trading more, guys. You'll see such videos more often. So thank you for staying with us until this far. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends, and then I'll leave anything by the description if you would like to know more about sessions and everything, because currently I'm not selling any course. You want to know more about sessions, just hit by the description and you'll find my information, how to contact me and everything. So make sure you stay tuned until the end, guys. Peace. It's out.